Hi guys, welcome to Philly channel. Today I'm taking you to Imam Hussein market in middle east of Tehran city. In this market there are a variety of fruits and vegetables that it has very good prices. I mean you're going to pay 50 cents for 1 kilogram of nectar, peach, sour lemon, potatoes, tomatoes, and $1 for 1 kilogram of bananas, and $2 for 1 kilogram of pear. At the end, shopping from this local market is going to be a nice experience. And the best way to get into this market is using subway line 2 and getting upon Imam Hussein Square station. If you like this kind of videos, subscribe and turn on the bell to be notified when new video releases. Comment me if you had any questions and don't forget to like the video. Thanks for staying with me. Hope you enjoyed the video.